Okay.
This is a focus group discussion for market research which we have to do. So can you just start by introducing snacks?
Given a chance, not from mess I'm saying. Given a choice, what do you
Yeah.
have?
Like maybe
Outside.
back at home.
I'm
Or when you
especially
go
fond
out.
of non-vegetarian food. I love chicken.
Okay.
Back home, even I would prefer chicken or paneer or some rich food. Nothing very bland, something very rich.
Suppose if not home. Suppose if you're going out,
Yeah, some maybe fast food.
what type of restaurants do
Yeah,
you
or
prefer?
maybe you're going out for a dinner with your friends.
I like all kinds of street food.
Yeah.
Street food.
And I prefer street food, but not packaged food or food from restaurants. I would prefer foods which have less of like Ajinomoto and stuff like that.
I'd prefer food which we normally don't get. Suppose a foreign cuisine, say European or American. A bit of North Indian once in a while is fine, but that's only to get a break from the not so good mess food.
What about pizzas?
Yeah,
Yeah, I
maybe
love
pizza
that.
or pasta.
Pizza, pasta.
Long as it's
I love trying different varieties of pasta.
Yeah, pasta.
Pasta.
Okay. So when it comes to pizzas, like do you generally like order it to home or do you go to an outlet and eat there?
If you specifically want pizza, we usually order it. But if you're going out to a cafe, maybe like with something else, with pasta.
So okay, so when you go out, so what occasions would you actually choose a pizza outlet over say a McD or a KFC or something like that?
And
When you
I
have
think
enough cash
pizza
in
over
pocket.
McD any day.
yeah, pizza on it.
Yeah, any day, pizza over McD.
Okay, so do you have it as a snack during the evening time or do you guys go out for dinner there? Like,
Dinner.
Generally,
You prefer going out or ordering to your
We
home?
prefer going
Going out.
even
I
But if
prefer
it's
having it at
pizza-
my home.
But if it's pizza, then usually at home, but otherwise going out.
generally what we over here we do is we go out, we order it, we take it along
Take
with us wherever we go and we have it. So
Okay. So with family, do you prefer going out and having pizza?
pizzas,
When it comes to pizza,
pizzas at home with TV
Yeah,
and
that's
movie,
perfect.
one glass of Coke and proper pizza.
what about others?
If it's just pizza, then at home.
I'm fine with either. It really doesn't make much of a difference. I would like to go out with my family and have pizza.
Fine.
okay, so when you hear pizza, which brand do you first think of?
Domino's because
Or
Unanimous.
pizza.
the most popular.
Domino's or then pizza.
Then pizza.
Pizza.
So you obviously would have heard of Smoking Joe's
Yeah.
pizza. So what's your perception about that
Smoking Joe.
brand of pizza?
Uh,
I heard it's bad.
That's what.
Pizzas, like not very good. Whatever you would get at a local or desi shop, that kind of pizza you get messed with. Kind of that, a little better than those, but not really worth it.
I haven't had much of Smoking Joe's pizzas, but largely from what I've heard, the quality and the taste is not that as compared to Domino's or Pizza Hut.
I've just had
So how many of you have tried smoking?
I've tried Smoking Joe's once, and for the quality they serve, it is very overpriced.
Yeah. But when you get deals here, like yesterday I tried that you get a large cheese burst pizza for just $100. If you say you got the deals, then it's okay. But otherwise they're overpriced.
Okay. So what do you think Smoking Joe's is? Is it a local brand or international? What do you think it is?
It is an international.
It
brand.
It is an international brand, but not
Yeah,
as good as
exactly.
the other two brands.
So it sounds international.
Pretty sure.
Everyone going with that?
No,
Sounds
international.
Sounds
it
international.
sounds local to me because most of my friends have told that it's very bad, and I haven't seen this ad on the television or any other Facebook and stuff like that. So I presume it to be a small brand.
Have you been to any joint Smoking
And
Joe's?
no, I haven't
Okay.
had Smoking Joe's pizzas as yet.
We had Smoking
just-
Joe's during the Iris.
Yeah,
So
during Iris. they
before
have-
coming here, did you guys
Know about
I've
it?
never
Have you heard of Smoking Joe's?
I never
heard of
heard of
We've heard of Smoking Joe's, but never
No, I
tried
never
it.
heard of it.
Okay. Why didn't you try?
Because
We like pizza.
I got
don't
2-3
know so
chances
much.
to eat
We are there
pizzas.
ahead of exactly.
Then I got 2-3 chances. I preferred Domino's because I didn't want to ruin
Yeah,
my
so
money. I didn't
you
want to
guys
try something.
unanimously said Domino's, right? When you
Yeah.
first said. So why do you consider that? I mean, what are the things you consider when you choose a
Quality
pizza
price
outlet?
options.
Exactly.
It has more options definitely.
all
Best way to put it is quality. The
they serve a lot of other good dishes also.
the garlic bread is
Yeah, the garlic bread and
pretty
stuffed garlic bread is nice.
Even smoking just provide garlic bread.
Yeah, but
But then
because
you
we're talking
see the
about
taste,
taste,
when you talk about
it tastes
quality
much
also.
better. There is no comparison between smoking those garlic bread and Domino's.
Like, what are the factors you consider when you go to a pizza outlet? Is it just the pizza or the service?
What all
What all
attributes?
factors
What
do
all
you
things
consider?
that you come to mind when you
First,
prefer a
The time.
pizza place?
I think the basic thing is you need good pizza if you're
Yes,
going to a
fine,
pizza outlet.
yes.
Yeah, if
The
it-
kind
if
of pizza that you'd want. After that comes service, the timing, and generally it is if the pizza comes faster, you have more hot pizzas.
The different offerings and deals that Smoking Jaws offer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some
Only
of them.
whatever comes on the meal.
whatever comes
Yeah.
in.
Like for-
Otherwise, you don't
Apart from
follow.
that, no.
Apart from that,
Like the Subway offers sub of the day and all.
no.
No,
So you don't
I know any of
you don't follow it.
No.
So, and through what medium do you come to know about any restaurant?
I guess,
Usually.
Social medias.
Restaurants.
word of mouth.
Like in Indore.
Say if a new outlet opens, how do you like get to know
Yeah.
that such an outlet has come up?
Our Indorian friends.
Friends.
I
Yeah.
guess
Word of mouth.
mostly through word of mouth. If someone
Apart from
Someone
goes there
who's
first
there
date as this was a nice place, you should try it out. And that's how
And they come and tell us.
word spreads around.
Otherwise,
Over here, it would be
Maybe.
you would ask the people who are from Indore. Back at home, since I'm a foodie, I have literally tried in every restaurant possible in that place at least.
how do you search?
Because it's a small place. Coimbatore is a small place. So if there's something new that opens, when you roam around, you'll find that there's something new over there, and you try to eat over there once.
Yeah,
But
so
I don't think that is possible in a big city.
In a big city, it's not possible.
Not
But since
possible.
my place is very small, that's
true
what
word
it
of mouth.
Yeah.
okay, so one thing which you will like differentiate Smoking Joe's from the other pizzas. One good thing.
Good thing.
Yeah.
I guess
Eat.
prices they're
Prices.
relatively cheaper than the others.
Prices maybe
Than
and
the other brand.
also maybe it's more convenient because we can just order it here. Domino's, you know, if you call them, most of them don't deliver your address. You have an order of more than 15
That's
hours.
if you're tied up. The
Yeah,
deals
they-
are different.
They
Generally-
tied up with you, so it's more convenient and more accessible.
Yeah.
That's it. Otherwise, in terms of food, it's not really.
You guys might not know actually. Smoking Joe's, they had the tagline for them is fresh pizzas.
Have you
Do you
heard of
know
that?
that?
Do you know that?
I don't know that.
See, the differentiation that they offer is they make everything from
Scratch. Even the base, everything they make
the
there
duff,
only.
right from the duff, everything is made from scratch.
You know
Unlike
that?
other pizza outlets,
So you're not aware of that.
you are not
No,
aware
yeah,
of that.
that is not like.
Actually, believe the store saying that these pizzas are fresh, like any pizza store.
Even Domino's.
Even
Say for
Domino's.
example, they might
Even if
say
they
cold
say So I wouldn't.
So
It's a-
how
it's a
Yeah.
Marketing gimmick.
how
marketing
do you
gimmick.
like
Everyone believes that.
Yeah, I guess. Pretty
So
much.
what will it take for you to be convinced? Like what should they do to make you believe that the pizzas they
It's
serve are
fresh.
actually fresh pizzas?
Maybe a open counter where we can see the kitchen or like kitchen
Like,
tools.
like,
If
like,
you want
like
kitchen
Subway.
tools.
Like
Subway,
Subway.
we know that Subways are fresh. They make it right in front of us, in front of our eyes.
What else?
Sorry?
What else? That was a good one.
Then there's something what KFC does. They give you the kitchen
Free
tours.
tours.
Free
You
kitchen
can
tours,
take
so
a
that
kitchen
you
tour
can
anytime.
actually go and see through.
But then you actually don't know whether the ingredients, how many days they've been kept in that kitchen. That is something you can never be sure of. Even the bread, the cheese, and everything, you never know what if they've been there for like a day or two.
But still, if a particular restaurant is being that open, they are letting you come into your kitchen, and that should be enough to convince a person.
What kind of people do you think would visit Smoking Joe?
Maybe students like
Yeah.
us, like if they are market really well in
Seriously, suppose if you go out, do you prefer Smoking Joe or Domino's?
Domino's.
Ah, that's right. So how come students?
like, but they force us to eat by bringing opening
Force.
counters inside the campus where we don't get to see much counters.
Nice.
So we will prefer that because we don't have any other options.
What about other people apart from students? What else?
Apart from students,
Who else?
Maybe someone who's so bored of eating Domino's, they just want to try something
something
else maybe. Or get it cheap if you have a light pocket maybe.
There are
You would
them.
prefer Domino's.
Yeah.
So what would you
I
have
think
done?
The basic thing is once the quality is improved, automatically its reputation will grow, and then the marketing will itself happen. But yeah, the first thing is you improve the quality of the pizzas you serve, bring it to that level of Domino's or Pizza Hut, and then people will love it.
Yeah, and if you keep a smoking those pizza and a Domino's pizza, you can see the stark difference. You can see the base and the way the vegetables and everything is done. It's very amateur and it's not very appealing. So no one would go for smoking those pizza anyway, even if it was actually tastier than the other one. So even visual.
But there are people who has told us like they like smoking Joe pizza than Domino's.
Perhaps they would have
That
had.
Depends
that
from
is actually
person to
very
person,
shocking.
but generally I would believe everyone would go for.
Yeah.
Like generally, mostly
Generally,
everyone would
opinion
go for
would be that
Domino's or
Domino's
Pizza Hut.
I don't think they have a proper store here in Indore like Domino's where we can go in
They
sit
have.
there and eat.
They have
But,
only food.
They have a food court actually.
but I couldn't find like maybe because they are not reaching the people. Like I couldn't find a proper store. All I could find was a small one where you can sit outside and eat. Like I saw it in TA. So something bigger, a bigger store or
Like the
Like an exclusive store for.
fine.
exclusive store.
So I'll just say some pizza brands. You just
So
have to
we'll
come
give
up
you
with the,
one word each. So
you'll have to
just
come up with the
shoot out
first word
whatever
comes
that
to your mind.
comes to your mind.
Like we'll go from the left. Domino's,
Tasty.
Tasty.
Pizza maybe.
Delicious. Yeah.
Pizza Hut,
Oh, a bit overpriced, but it's amazing taste.
Costly and tasty.
Trendy.
Same costly and tasty.
Slightly overrated.
Crown pizza.
Smoking Juice.
Not heard of it so far. Not interested after these.